So we bless. We spark up another one. Yeah. Meditating.
Down my dust get a fresh pack, a rolling paper. Roll it up, spark up in here the vapor. Thank goodness me get what me pay for. Inflation so low that I contact me neighbor. Me love the flavor. I my savor, my can't burn it all. Split tail safe for later. Burn it in a Babylon face, me not cater. People them not like me behavior, but I will smoke the weed all through the night till early morning. We can spark up all through the night till the break of dawn. Tomorrow I will take you around the world to the dispensary, and we can spark up any time of day. It's all good for me. On the weed, not the seed. Come from the earth, natural, can you see it? In a big Hollywood movie, it's a feature. You have grades of one when it soon come and reach ya. It's never too late to go accept the fact that weed is not what they said it was back in my day. Never mind, go eat some chicken nugget, craft mac and cheese, hot pocket, and go drink the Kool-Aid. I remember teacher telling me and principal that weed would never be legal, and them felt so regal. Look what I'm now, Generation X is sequel. Trust in science, go science your mother. Spliff a burn every day and it'll help me brother. Same people say if you don't do it, yeah, me bona spliff, just enjoy the summer. And I'ma smoke the weed all through the night till the early morning. We can spark up all through the night till the break of dawn. Tomorrow I will take you around the world to the dispensary. Spark up any time of day. It's all good for me.
All good for me. Yo, say me not drink and stumble. Me smoke weed and fly. It's not a plane. You look, you see me up in the sky. Food for me burn. Me keep me meditation high. Send connect for the weed. No Wi-Fi. Watch, give me the grabber. Me herbs, me chalice pipe. The load in my brain, so me not fi hype. I make we blaze it and spark up tonight. Yo, bling. Give me the light. Me say the spliff ignite. That boom draw ya amazing. Pass it, cut you know, no waiting now. So we spark up the chalice naturally. Annually we do this with no debating now. Hey, take some time out for yourself. We meditate in a different realms. Peace and joy, nothing no tense. Pan the ends are sensey incense.
And I'ma smoke the weed all through the night till the early morning.